How much did Love Canal cleanup cost? Have you ever wondered about the true cost of cleaning up a toxic waste disaster? The Love Canal cleanup is a prime example of the financial and human toll of environmental hazards. This infamous site in New York faced severe contamination due to chemical waste dumping. The total cleanup cost reached around $175 million. This staggering figure covers various expenses, from removing contaminated soil to installing systems that treat polluted groundwater. Occidental Chemical Corporation, the company responsible for the original dumping, paid about $129 million as part of a settlement. This amount included $102 million reimbursed to the Environmental Protection Agency for cleanup efforts. Additionally, $27 million went to the Federal Emergency Management Agency for relocating over 1,000 families affected by the contamination. New York State contributed around $98 million to the Environmental Protection Agency for cleanup activities. The United States government, including the Army's pollution responsibility, paid roughly $8 million. The relocation of families alone cost about $17 million. The cleanup process was not quick. It took decades to complete, with the site declared a state of emergency in 1978. Cleanup efforts continued until 2004. The Love Canal disaster was a significant event that led to the creation of the Superfund program, which manages hazardous waste site cleanups across the United States. From the perspective of high-risk professions, the Love Canal cleanup involved specialized and dangerous work. Professionals in toxic waste management faced environmental hazards like harmful chemicals and contaminated soil and water. Workers performed tasks such as soil excavation, hazardous material handling, and installing groundwater treatment systems. They had to manage the risks of chemical exposure while restoring the environment. This work shares similarities with other high-risk jobs like logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing. Each of these professions operates in hazardous environments, managing both natural and man-made dangers. The Love Canal cleanup was a costly and complex operation, totaling around $275 million. It involved government agencies and the responsible chemical company, requiring skilled workers to protect public health and restore the environment.